Imagine yourself in this Tesla 2015 Model S 85D. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: next-generation seats, smart air suspension, all-glass panoramic roof, autopilot convenience features, black Alcantara headliner, premium interior, pearl white multi-coat, tan leather seats and custom front and rear dash cam system, $1,500. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.